One, in this video, pakita natin kung paano i-navigate itong MetaTrader 5. And of course, you just need to log in using yung credentials na binigay sa inyo sa email. No? So if you are with Vantage Markets, you will receive that login and password sa email ninyo. Yeah, so just go to file and go to log in to trade, and basically all details lagay nyo lang dyan, no? So make sure lang na tama yung details niyo para sure na makalagin tayo. And also in this video, we will be using demo account. Real or live account is just the same. So kung ano yung nakikita ninyo dito, yun din yung makikita nyo sa real and live account. And ayun, so start tayo. Everything that you see here, you can edit. No? So let's start with how it looks. No? So just go to the properties, just right click, go to properties or F8, and then yeah, may mga schemes na dyan. No? So the very basic is like this. No? So ito una-una yun yung makikita, and then you can just edit from there. And just yan, ano nyo na lang, no? Experiment nyo na lang kung ano yung gusto nyong kulay. Yan. So grid, bar up, bar down, etc. Yan. So yan. Okay, so how can we put indicators here? Yan. So by the way, nan yung mga time frames natin M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, etc. And all the basic tools here, yan yung cursor, yung crosshair, and vertical line, and trend line, and the channel line, and Fibonacci, okay, and there. Now, if you want to delete them, and delete all arrows, and delete, right click lang sa details and delete, yan, yan. So, ganun lang siya kadali, no? And dito, may mga iba't ibang klase ng how do you want to see itong mga linya natin, no? Yung mga candles natin. Ayan. Of course, dito tayo sa Japanese candlestick. And, yun no? Indicator list. Yan. Just go to insert, then go to indicators. Yan, may mga nakalagay na iba dyan. Pero, if you want to put some overlay, ayan, so, if you want Bollinger Band, nasa trend siya, moving averages. Yan. So, itong nakikita nyo, this is an exponential moving average. Yan. Again, indicators, go to trend, and then moving average. Yan. So, from there, makikita nyo yung parameters. Depende na sa inyo yan, no? Kung ano yung gusto nyong ilagay dito. Okay? So, period, if you are using 50, 21, 9, just put it there. And yung style, kung ano yung tsura, kung anong kulay, ito yun. Dito na yun. And method, no? So, very basic is the simple. And yung ginagamit natin is exponential. Smooth, yan. Andyan din. Everything. And indicators, and oscillators, nandito naman yung mga average true range, MACD, yan, relative strength index, which is here, yung nasa baba natin, stochastics, yan. Yan yung mga mga oscillators naman, no? Yeah, so let's say you want to use MACD, yan, lagay nyo lang dyan yung parameters, you can use the default there, and that's it. Another thing, yan, may mga objects dyan. If you want to put something in your chart, everything, anything is in here sa objects, no? Yung Fibonacci, if you are not using the standard, you can use all other Fibonacci here. Fibonacci fan, arcs, channel, and but the very basic is here, yung Fibonacci retracement. And Elliott wave, if you're using waves, no? So you can use this for your Elliott wave. So let's say like this, this, and this. So, okay. Yan. So, yung mga arrows, yan, pwede nyo lagay dyan. If you want to put something in your chart. Text is also here. All right. Okay. So, pag gusto niyo namang tumingin sa ibang assets, no, just need to control M, market watch. Yan. So, ito yan, market watch. Okay. So, if you want to add something here, say ETHUSD, you want to add, put it there, enter. Yun lang, ganun lang, no? Hanggang sa mapuno nyo yan. So, bahala na kayo. If you want to remove something here, yan, you can also remove them. So, remove, no? Hide lang natin yan. Yan, hide. Yung mga hindi natin gusto, but you can hide there. Okay, so with the properties, with the way your chart looks, okay na. Nakalagay ka na ng oscillators mo, ng overlays, moving averages, etc. You are ready to buy and sell. So, very yung pinaka easy way to trade is to use one click trading. So that's Alt T. Yan, Alt T mo lang, may lalabas yan sa top left corner, and you can change your lot size here. Yan, buy or sell. Click nyo lang, no? Pero if if it's your first time to use this one click trading, may papabasa lang sila sa inyo na agreement na you are going to use one click trading, kasi with one click trading, ayun nga, pag nagkamali ka, it's your fault, no? So kasi mabilisan yan eh. So pag click mo, nag-buy ka, nagkamali ka, it's your fault, no? So walang kasalanan yung one click trading dyan. And if you want to use new order, and you can also you can also click here, no? Yung new order sa taas. Yan. So dito medyo mas detailed, no? You can put the volume here, yung lot size, and market execution. So may stop loss, take profit, lagay mo na lang dyan. Meron din mga limit orders. If you want to use pending orders, you can put it there. Okay, stop order, nandyan din. You can also do right click, no? Right click nyo lang, trading, and then yan, na may mga ano na dyan, nakalagay. Okay, so let's say you want to sell. Ayan, click natin sell, no? That's the reason why we're using demo account, para mas madali, no? Hindi tayo timing. Ayan. So, nakapag-sell ka and you want to put your stop loss, you can just drag. Yan. Very easy, di ba? Yan. Then, drag mo yung TV mo. Yan. So, since nakasell ka, dapat bumagsak yan. And nandiyan nga, stop loss mo, TP mo. Yan. Stop loss mo, then yung TP mo. Okay? So, drag and drop lang, no? Pagka naka one click trading ka. Okay, so what else? If you want to see the history of your trades, okay, nandiyan yan, no? So, just look at your history. You want to check yung magkano na yung kinita mo for the day. Click mo lang, and custom period, just click today. If you want to see the last 3 days, nandyan din. Entire history, nandyan din. So, yan, makikita nyo, no? Exposure and trades, current trades, nandyan yan. Okay? Yan. So, that's Control T. Okay? So what else? Toolbox, it's also there. Control T. Yeah. All the others here, if you're just starting to trade, no, you can just skip it. Like your strategy tester, that's for the mga uh, mga nag-algo trading, no? Yung mga bots. Yan. Strategy trader, itong algo trading, you can just skip that. Yan, may mga languages, color themes, etc. And also data window, ayan, nandiyan yan sa right side, but it's not really helpful. Okay, so inserts, again, experts, these are the default strategies. And also these are algo trading scripts. Also for the algo trading yan. Yan. Trade history. Yan, makikita mo yung trade history mo. If you want to remove, click mo lang ulit yan. Trade levels, kung gusto mong tanggalin, balik mo. Tick volumes. Yan, tanggalin mo yung volume, no? Kung gusto mong tanggalin, ayan, balik mo. Zoom in. Yan. Zoom out, step by step. And time frames which are nandito naman. Templates. Okay, so yung mga templates, yan yung mga nilagay mo previously na pwede mo i-save para mailagay mo ulit ng mabilis sa chart mo. So that's the easiest way to explain it. And indicator list. Yan. So kung ano yung mga indicators na nilagay mo sa chart mo currently, no? So yan, indicator window 1, relative strength index sa baba. And these tools, yan, mga ano na yan, no? Mga pang algo trading, and also for the MQL5 market. So may mga markets kasi dito na nagbebenta ng mga um, strategies. Okay, so if you want to go multi-window, no, you can just click this. Yan, multi-window ka na. Okay, so you just need to select kung ano yung gusto mo i-trade, no? Yan. And also, you can also just edit yung itsura niya, yung kung paano mo siya gustong makita. Okay? If you want to remove them, just click yung X and then there. Okay, so basically that's it for the very basic thing on how to use the MetaTrader 5. If you want to ask me more about MetaTrader 5, if you have specific things that you want to ask, yan, comment lang kayo and we will try to answer that. Okay, so if you want to learn more and if you're interested with trade ideas, trade signals, and more educational tools, more educational videos about trading, forex trading, gold trading, cryptocurrency, and meron tayong link dyan sa bahay natin. See you there.